Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this Bosmiller executive office chair that they sent to me for this video. And I have to say that this thing is so big, so tall, and so well padded. This thing right here, this beast, supports up to 500 pounds. So 100% is made for heavy people. It's made for heavy people, for tall people. As you can see, I'm 5'10" and I weigh 190 pounds. So this is kind of like killer to me, but you can see that I can rest my head easily on the headrest. And by the way, look at how smooth the swivel is. It comes with metal legs, meaning that it's gonna support all that weight. That are not plastic legs, they're just like metal legs. So some of the things that I like about this chair: number one, the assembly process, super simple. It takes no more than 15 minutes. With power tools, you're gonna get it done in 15 minutes. I really like that it's padded everywhere. You're gonna find pads right here, super cushion right here, and the headrest, a really big chunk of pads right here as well. On the sides, as you can see, super important right here to support your weight right here on the front part of the seat. And the centerpiece is kind of more firm. I want to say more firm than super thick and cushion. That is intended to be to support all that weight. The most important part lies right here on the lumbar support, which I'm going to show you in a few seconds. But also, it comes with pads right here on the armrest, which you can't modify the height. That's super important that you can't modify the height. Why this is so important? So let me actually show you right here on this lower part. Let me show you this. You're gonna find a knob which you can adjust, and this moves the lumbar support like out, in and out, like forward and backwards, meaning that it's gonna give you that really nice sitting position when sitting for long periods of time, and just pushing your lumbar area, your lower back area a little bit up front, which is intended to be to have that 90-degree sitting position. This is a very comfortable chair, and for sure it's padded everywhere. As you saw, it comes in this really nice leather, which it tends to be more like an executive side, and 100% you can see how much room I have inside, because this is a super wide chair. Something super nice as well, like every other chair, you can modify the height, but also you can lock and unlock a recliner that you can actually modify or adjust the recliner strength from the bottom. There is a knob, so you can put it like a little bit more backwards, a little bit more up front as well. I like this one because it's kind of like, again, like a rocking feature, not a recliner, but more like a rocking, kind of like for chilling and relaxing a little bit more. I really like this chair. Again, super easy to assemble, looks awesome, looks really nice and professional. It's padded just everywhere, as you can see, and this area right here is super comfortable, and you can adjust it. 500 pounds, one more time, padded everywhere right here in the armrest as well. And look at this, look at how comfy and big this chair is. Super tall, super wide. I really like it. I do recommend it. Thanks Bosmiller for sending this one to me, and I can vouch for this. Thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.